Good morning. A better economic forecast in terms of 8.6% GDP growth did bring some cheer, but profit booking came sooner than one would have anticipated. The indifference on the street continues as any good news hardly keeps the buying momentum on. Metal stocks saw some gains, and on the LME, 3-month copper futures hit a record high of $10,160 a ton. The outlook for the start appears flat, with our markets going in their own way. The Nifty's golden ratio suggests support at 5,352, and the chart says that the pattern of falling wedge in Nifty and the breakout above 5,470 should pay for a smart move till 5,740. Sounds good, but whether it will come true is the big question. The recent activity towards the end of the days will make the investors jittery. Investors, whether big or small, seems to have not many options than to resort in the option segment, punting on many probabilities. Instead, use the current impasse in the markets to identify quality counters. US indices ended higher while the Asian markets are mostly flat to negative. Another lackluster day is in the offing. Reports state that Infotech Enterprises is in advanced stages of acquiring aerospace services company in Europe for $20 million. On Wall Street, it was a merger Monday, and US indices saw some gains, with the Dow Jones adding 69 points and the Nasdaq gaining 15 points. The dollar depreciated against British pound and euro but appreciated against the Japanese yen. Oil for March delivery fell $1.55 to settle at $87.48 a barrel. He has said that new norms for takeover of companies, as also for the ownership and governance issue in the stock exchanges, would take some time as they need more deliberations. SEBI has also deferred decisions on important issues such as MCX-SX case, direct takeover code and Jalan committee report. Moving on to corporate news, Coal India may soon come out with a solution for the land-related issues faced by the mining companies. Wipro announced sweeping changes in its IT business that will now be driven by 6 new business units aimed at quicker decision-making and accountability. With the natural gas all set to reach Uttarakhand, the government-owned State Infrastructure and Industrial Development Corporation of Uttarakhand Limited is holding talks with GAIL to set up 2 300 million watt gas-based plants at Kashipur and Haridwar areas. JSW Steel reported a 9% increase in its crude steel production in January to 5.8 lakh tons from 5.33 lakh tons a year earlier. It also deferred the open offer for picking up additional stake of 20% in Ispat Industries. NTPC is slated to spend over 56 billion on green projects in coming 5 years. SAIL is forming an equal equity joint venture with Japan's Kobe Steel for a new plant in Durgapur. Fortis Healthcare plans to invest Rs 10 billion in rolling out a dozen new hospitals across the country. Moving on to recommendations, the technical calls for the day are: traders are advised to short Dena Bank February futures below Rs 99 with a stop loss of Rs 102.5 and for the target price of Rs 92. We advise traders to short TCS February futures in the range of Rs 1143 to Rs 1148 for the stop loss placed at Rs 1160 and with a target price of Rs 1109. Our derivative strategy for the day are: long Metalloid Result February futures in the range of Rs 217 to Rs 218 for the target price of Rs 225 and with the stop loss placed at Rs 214. Long BPCL February futures in the range of Rs 595 to 600 for the target price of Rs 630 and with the stop loss placed at Rs 585. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.